Please state your first name.
Flynn.
What symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
It was bilateral knee pain, locking out, clicking, giving way, pretty much just hindering my daily walking and working ability.
What was the severity of those symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10?
It was a 10. It didn't keep me from work, but it was just pain. It was just a chronic pain. So it was just something I was always conscious about, and having to either ice, take pain medication, therapy, and none of that really worked. I did the steroid injections and everything else, though it just wasn't working.
And how was that affecting your daily life?
It was getting to where it was just a constant on my mind where, it took more of my, how do I put this? I was very active and still am very active. It was decreasing my ability to do just fun things. Like when I would go on vacation, I couldn't do certain things that I wanted to do. And I'd started running, and it was affecting my ability to race. And I was fighting that every step of the way. I wasn't as active as I know I want to be.
And what services did you receive?
Oh, I did chiropractic, I did physical therapy, and of course the stem cell injections, the PRP, and did the B6.
Okay. And what has your experience been like?
Absolutely wonderful. The staff here is very professional and very helpful. Anytime I had a question or concern, they were just right on it. If they didn't know at the front desk, they found somebody that did know. And just very encouraging. I would recommend this any day of the week to anybody. In fact, I do where I work. I tell everybody about it. And can't wait to show these pre and post x-rays to people.
Good. And how has your life changed?
Well, it's just taking that worry away. I'm not having to think about having knee replacements done. So it's going to extend my ability to do what I do, my work. I don't have to worry about not being able to do massages all day. And it's given me a lot of peace of mind. Because as I got older, I was looking, if I'm not working, not having insurance, how can I pay for this? And I just don't have to worry about that.
And you said that you do recommend, but you would recommend us to your friends and family?
Yes.
Good.
I have. And I continue will. I always will.
Thank you.